So when I went to the passport office, I gave them my direct thing. Look, I'm not applying for any passport. I want to give details about the identity fraud. So they were like, yes, it will be, what do you call it? There will be an appointment and all this stuff. But the matter which was happened, uh, as I smelled, the painting was happening there, and so some identity fraud, who is gonna go there, who is wealthy fuck and who is gonna live there, and he wanted that house painted. So I smelled that. Look, reports are not given and all this shit, so already they got covered up. But why did they need in my house? I smelled that they want to stay there, live there to portray something. So I feel like it's passport, a verification. Hmm? So when a police record is made of my name, so they will also face the trouble because that's my name, the identity fraud. And going at such a level to catch this identity fraud is because that's the guy who organized this murder attempt on me and the face smash, which I went through surgery. And that's the guy who killed my friend. Because same way, because he worked in Devil Rocky. In 2022, he got killed. That identity fraud, he wanted me dead. Same like he killed my friend in 2022. Just because me and him, we worked on a synopsis of a content street. So it was damn important to make a police record. So in verification, there would have been troubles. For the identity fraud guy. So this is the reason, most of the reason, that's the reason I had bloodbath. In running moped, he smashed my face. He organized that.